Oh, what do we have here? Today we have chaos erupts during routine gas station call. Ooh. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
Watch what this man in a gas station store does while police are investigating a situation.
What he about to do?
Before that happens, the case officers are investigating also goes haywire.
Hey, what's up, man? I gotta figure out what's going on, dude. These motherfuckers are trying to play me like I'm some kind of...
Oh, he's being very disrespectful.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yeah, bro, I ain't playing these games, though.
Look it, I got you not playing games, but I got called to a disturbance,
Come on,
okay?
bro, what are we doing here?
I'm gonna give you your chance to tell me what happened, but I need to figure out what they're telling me first. You get what I'm
She's
saying?
drunk as fuck. Going in and acting crazy.
Look, do you have any weapons on you?
No, bro, come on.
Okay, turn around.
Come on, bro, don't be touching me. Don't be touching me. Don't be touching me.
Oh, yep. He about to go to jail.
Patting you down.
I'll body the fuck out of both of you. This is what you're
Pappage
doing.
Farms.
This is what they do. You would have just been calm.
I told you could search me, bro. What do I gotta hide?
Tension up, right?
No, because this dude came over here like a big guy. My grandfather would have y'all f***ed right now, bro.
Ooh.
Touching me, why you
Your grandfather must be in the mob the way you talking.
touching me? Take a seat. You touch me, little ass boy. You feel like it. That's why you're crazy.
Oh, damn.
Also can have the press charges for damages. He broke this door trying to open it. It does not open no more.
What?
Alright, who's the girl? Are you the girlfriend?
Yeah, she is.
Do you want to explain what happened? Or do you want to come over here for a second, actually?
Alright, so who's this? Is this your boyfriend? Look,
Yeah.
What happened tonight?
Yeah, boy. I feel so bad because his mom and his brother are in here now because they already,
That's his mom and his brother?
yeah, they came. They
That is a lot going on. What do you mean his mom and his dad and his brother? Five.
literally across the street. I jumped out of the car and I was like, I don't feel comfortable.
Who was driving?
Angry. Him.
Okay, so you guys left in his car, and then what happened?
Why do we got to keep our eyes on him? What the does he have to do with this? There's more?
Where were you going after PJ's? Where were you supposed to?
Real suspicious.
Okay.
Right here.
So on the way, what happened before you got home?
Just being very aggressive.
Look, he knows something is off.
I ran in here and his mom and his brother showed up and I was like, I'm so sorry.
So what happened in the car? Did you just, as he was driving, you just ran out of the car and ran
He
in
just
here?
got, he
hit
smashed
you
my
on
phone. My phone's not working.
Okay. When did he do this? Was it?
As we got out of the car, like he threw
Damn.
the phone, they tried to plug it in for me, but
So did he threaten you at all other than breaking your phone? Did he like strike you or?
not like
try to hit you, or-
vocal threatening, but like being crazy.
But he threw the. Where did he throw the phone? It
I have a feeling there's some more shit finna pop off instead of just this one situation.
was outside.
Yeah.
Do you want to put that in a written statement or no?
I honestly feel really bad for him because I feel like he has a lot of like mental things going on. I love his family. I don't want to be that person.
Okay. Do you want to just hang on a second because I just gotta figure out what's going on with him, and then we'll let you know. Okay. All right. I know you told him what happened, but just from in your guys' perspective, what did you guys see?
She came in crying, he chased her in.
She was asking us to call 911 from off the road.
He kept telling her no.
Trying to get her not to. She said she doesn't feel safe, she doesn't feel comfortable. So I ended up taking her into the back, and he was trying to go past.
Do you know how scary you gotta be for a woman that you with to say some shit like that, bro? You gotta be like tripping balls really hard off some oxy or some shit, or like some whole mental bipolar schizophrenic shit.
Did he break something in here?
See, it's off, and it doesn't push open. It's stuck.
Would one of you
I
guys
would not want to feel a punch from him. I know that if he over here breaking shit like that.
just mind doing a statement just on what you saw? And then if you guys want to have him trespass from here, I don't know if the manager wants to do that.
Yeah,
but
no,
you-
he
you
will,
can
because
have her
he
do that
damaged
stuff.
property.
So who's the manager on right now?
Well,
I mean, is he pacing? What the fuck is going
All this
on?
stuff right now is at his place. Do you need to go back there for anything tonight? Do you have a key?
Is he about to punch that person?
That's her house.
Okay, she lives there. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. It's cool if she goes back to the house and grabs whatever she needs for the night. Okay. All right. Because what's gonna happen is there's gonna be no contact order between you guys. So
I know.
whatever you need to get, I will just get it tonight. So you don't have to go back. Okay. What's your
Look at this
what's a good
guy.
contact number for you?
Have a good night.
Sorry.
If you need anything else, call us. Okay.
And it doesn't even like this part, because you can push even.
What is bro's problem? He's making me really nervous. His energy, I can sense his energy being off sitting from the video, so I can only imagine how wild it feels in person with him.
So
It's just jam.
he's getting arrested anyway. I'm gonna document this. If it ends
White Steph Curry?
Being like damaged, he can be held accountable. Right now, I can't charge him with.
Why does he keep going in and out?
Behind a hinge is what it is.
His name.
Behind a hinge. I don't
Crazy family member shows up in 3. What is going on in this video, guys?
I'll give you his name if they want to do a no trespass.
He just moved in with them like a few weeks ago.
Oh shit! He about to rock his lights out. He about to sock it to his pocket. It's coming. Ooh! Oh! 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 Why would he do that?
Hell yeah.
You would do that in front of the cops? That is wild. Do you know how much balls you gotta have to do some shit like that with the cops already? What? This store needs its own police department.
Who is that?
Wasn't he just on
We have no idea who that man is.
Stole my stuff. I lost all my stuff. That's it right there.
What the fudge?
He didn't do anything.
What do you mean?
He's a regular customer.
He came down and said that before he got here.
What do you? He just got That's ridiculous.
I apologize. Really? I'm sorry. Really? You sold something. You literally just robbed me. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
What are you doing?
That was stupid.
All right.
What is your name? That just made me think about that video.
He threatened me. He stole my stuff earlier today. How do you know who he is? Because he was walking by me earlier when I had my stuff on the ground. I wasn't walking by anyone. Earlier today he was.
You just have one more card.
What the fudge?
What the fuck? You gotta be fucking stupid. There's 2 cops outside and you're in there causing a fucking fight. You think we feel like dealing with this right now?
I apologize. Sorry.
He don't care. He did that shit on purpose. He talking about some I apologize.
You have ID in any of that shit you just pulled out of your pocket?
No, everything I had was stolen. You said you did it when he was walking by me earlier today. Yeah, so he just walked by you and said, "Hey, I stole your stuff." Huh? That's what I was saying. He was sitting. What are you talking about? I apologize.
Mental patient number 2.
What's your name? What's your name? Mike. Mike? Yeah. Is it Michael?
They already investigating some shit going on between this dude and his gal. And then you just come out of nowhere right in front of their face and just start pegging somebody with the cops right there. This feels like a WWE video. And they say, oh my God, that's crazy. Midwest body cams is way better than reality TV, bro.
Yes. Are you homeless right now?
He's
Where
something.
do you live at?
It was actually,
Alright.
yes, I'm homeless.
Sorry, I just,
He was about to come up with a lie.
you sound like you're drunk.
Drunk as fuck. Damn.
Hey, bud. You okay, bud? Alright.
His girlfriend's a nurse.
It's okay. Just take your time because you got knocked the fuck out.
No, just don't have the girlfriend come here, please. We don't need no more scuffles. Do you want to sit up? Let's have a seat right here, bud.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. I would be going to the ambulance and I would be suing. Pressing charges, all of that shit.
Where you hurt? Is the blood just...
His face. He just got. What do you mean? Where is he hurt?
Does it feel like that?
Let me just get here.
He just got fucking level.
Just put some pressure on. Do you know that guy?
Grab some more tissue.
You've ever seen that guy ever?
Around clean tissue.
I helped him get in charge. He was hell no.
Here.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Where is this at? Because I don't never need to go to this gas station.
So,
Dude. No, you're fine.
if you guys don't mind just backing up a little bit, just because we're gonna have a rescue come, all right?
You want to pursue charges on the person that hit you?
Hell yeah. Hey, Sergeant Hammer. So at the freaking gas station across from AAA, got one in custody for domestic disorderly, domestic vandalism, probably just disorderly. And then as we're investigating that, this other guy who's in the store, nothing to do with this.
I love these accents. Gotta be New York.
For it's at least gonna be disorderly. I'm assuming probably assault too. So yeah, disaster.
Cranston police? Where's Cranston at? I gotta look that up.
Dude, shut the up! I can't breathe. Why do you think they're tight? Why do you think they're tight? Bro, look, face that way. I can't breathe. Face that way. I can't breathe. Okay, I can't breathe. Why is this? Why do you think they're tight? Bro, look, face that way. Who are you? I'm his father. Okay.
Oh Lord! Now his dad is pulling up.
Can I calm him down? Let me calm him down.
All right, I'll take care. My other son get hit by a bullet. Then my son gets shot.
No, he's fine.
I can't breathe, bro. My son
Dad heard he got hit, thought he died. We thought they put a hit out on him.
get hit.
I just arrived on scene.
Please, I don't
Oh, so this is Rhode Island, so New York, right?
care about him. I'm worried about my other son.
I just arrived on scene.
They know who I am.
Okay, but you're running on me like I'm a maniac, so...
No, because someone said my son got shot.
No one's shot.
No, he just got knocked the f out.
Oh, bro. I can't hit. Bro, I can't feel.
He's being a lunatic.
Can I talk to him?
No, you can't talk.
Please.
He's being a lunatic.
Can I talk? You know, you respect
I
me,
know
please.
you. You're not talking to him right now because he's being a fucking asshole.
Punch him in his fucking mouth.
Okay, back up. Relax. Just back up.
Punch him in his fucking mouth.
Just go over there.
Oh God, Dad showing up, letting everybody know why his son getting arrested.
Okay. Where's your car? Is that your car?
No. How about, did my son get shot?
No, he did not get shot.
What happened to Adam? They said he got hit.
Can you just go sit in your car for now? I'll let you know what's going on, all right? If your son was just calm with us, none of this would have been going on right now. He's fine. He's not hurt.
Where's your car?
No, my other son. Not him.
Who's your other son?
They said my other son got hit.
There is a kid in there that got punched in the face, but he's fine. He's not. He's fine.
Who punched him? You know who I'm with.
Dude, it's fine. He's good. He's fine.
Who punched him?
Hey, come on. We're not doing all that right now. We're not doing all that right now.
There's guys out here.
Just relax.
Dad is showing why his son is in the back of the cop car. He's getting that too.
There's so many guys down here.
Just go wait in the car. Go wait in the car.
Wait in the car.
Who punched my son?
Where's Rhode Island
Who
at?
punched him?
We have him
Connecticut?
locked up. I don't know
Okay.
the kid's name. Don't worry about it, okay?
No, it ain't all right.
He's under arrest.
Who punched my son? You can arrest me. Who punched? He knows me. Who punched my fucking
He's
son?
locked up. I told you that. He's locked up.
Oh, he's fucking more than locked
So look, you
up.
need to just calm down.
No, I ain't fucking calming down. Arrest me.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna tell everybody right here who punched my fucking son.
We
I don't
arrested
give a
the guy.
fuck you do with that son.
That's fine.
Take him the fuck away.
You calm down.
Who
We locked
punched
the
my
guy
son?
up. We locked him up.
I want to know who it is.
Okay, we locked him up.
He about to go Randy Orton on that ass.
We have him in custody.
I want to know who it is.
Have him in custody.
He's done. You guys know me.
He's like a homeless guy. He's
I don't give a fuck who he is.
Look at Al. We don't need any more issues over here, okay?
Issues.
This feels like a whole GTA server right now, bro.
Yeah, we're just trying to do our job.
I'll
You
make
know
a
that.
phone call. You 50 guys
Look
here.
at you know we're
I
trying to
swear
do
to
our
God,
job.
there'll be
That's it.
50
Okay,
guys.
that's fine, man. Dude, go wait in your car.
Go wait and arrest me.
Causing more of a
Fucking arrest me.
Go wait in your car.
Arrest me.
Go in the car. Fucking nut.
Al, there's no need for this. We're handling it, Al. We're handling it. He's arrested! So we're here for a disturbance with his other son, who I locked up for domestic. As we're dealing with him, apparently this other guy just goes in and punches his
Why is he looking like that? Bro, this video is the epitome of wait, there's more.
other son that I guess is in there, completely separate from this. So we're dealing with this. This guy's get put on the struggle. We get him in the car. As we're dealing with the people from the store, we see this disturbance inside. We go lock him up, get back in there, realize the guy's hurt. So call a rescue for him.
Which is his other son, and we have his son in custody.
Yeah.
This guy's causing an issue.
Now, I'm just gonna get him out of here now.
Michael.
I ain't gonna lie, this girl right here needs to run far, far away from this family.
What'd you cold cut that kid for?
I was sitting up the street earlier, and when I was, he was at the
I'm still tripping on the mafia dad thinking his son got hit. He thought he died. That's all he heard.
same place. We were sitting waiting for the bus, and the guy that was on the side of me said he was the one that took my bag and stuff and
That's
walked
completely
away.
false. You just made that all up.
No, I really
you just did. Because they all said that he's a regular here, then they don't even know who you are. And this guy's never sat at a bus stop in his life. He lived across the street while we had to sit on a bus. You're completely full of shit. You just decided to fucking clock him? Makes no sense.
Bro was trying to get arrested. He was like, you know what? I'm tired of being homeless. I punched this guy in the face. The cop's right here. I get 3 hots in a cop.
Why would you do that when there's all cops in the parking lot?
Instead of, if he did steal, tell a cop.
He just said he was homeless, bro. This is his ticket to jail. What do you mean?
What's the deal?
Where you from?
I'm homeless. I just got on the ACI the other day. Barely had anything left.
Yeah, he's a homeless drunk guy. Did you want to go back to jail? Is that why you did that?
No, not at all.
Well, I used to work in jail, and people used to try to go back in jail when they have no other options.
He definitely want to.
No, not at
All right.
The original first suspect involved in the domestic situation was charged with his first offense of domestic violence by damaging or obstructing a telephone.
Damn.
His first offense of domestic violence with vandalism. His first offense of domestic violence with disorderly conduct.
Damn.
Resisting arrest and obstructing. He took a plea deal, pleading no contest to domestic violence with vandalism, and vandalism while all other charges were dismissed. He was ordered to participate in domestic abuse counseling and to pay restitution for the victim's phone. The suspect, who randomly punched the other suspect's brother, was charged with simple assault and/or battery and disorderly conduct. He took a
Damn.
plea deal, pleading no contest to simple assault and/or battery, while the disorderly conduct charge was dismissed. He was sentenced to 45 days in jail, 320 days of license suspension, and 320 days of probation.
Some people out here don't want a hotel room because a jail cell will suit them just fine.
They don't gotta pay for it. That's for sure. That is for sure. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. That's it, baby. We out.